let's see how this goes. So I got Mustad size 12 dry hook. It's gonna make a elk hair caddis quick. Just want to see if my camera will work. I'm just gonna put a couple of wraps on there. I'm gonna get some copper wire here. Just gonna wrap that in a bit. Just a bit, that's probably good. Gonna come back down here. I'm gonna put some dubbing on there. It's a little bit of green dubbing. It's probably way too much. Let's roll that in with the fingers. Press it nice and firm, spin that on there, slide that up, wrap that in to the body. Something like that. That's pretty good. Get some hackle. I'll wrap that in a bit. Couple wraps there. Trim that off. Gonna get some hackle plier here. There we go. Just gonna do a couple wraps up near the head and start going down the body a bit. Don't have a very long piece of hackle there. And then go opposite with the wire to create a bit of segmentation, and trying to weave that in between the barbules of the hackle. Come right up here, pass this over the wire there, and do a couple wraps just up there. And then we can just spin that off like that. Pull those out of the way. It's all good there. Cool. Good, then the next thing is to take some elk hair. Cut a bit of that off with a razor. Probably about that much there, and then I'm just gonna comb out all the small stuff. It's probably good. Put that into a stacker. There we go. Pinch that there and pull that out of there. So, and then grab that here and measure how long I want my wings to be. Something like that's probably good. Just gonna pull a couple out. And then go up and over loose. Come down and go up and pull that. Come down and pull that. Come up and pull that. And I'm going to pull all that back. Do a few wraps under there. Okay, and I'm going to put a whip finish on that. And do another one of those. Something like that. Yeah. There. Snip that off. There. And then what I like to do is pull these back so I can grip them all. Grip them in my fingers and use a razor. X-Acto blade. Trim that off. Something like that. I might have missed a couple there. It creates a little head on it. And then just use a bit of head cement. Probably good. And that's it. That's Caddis. Well, I missed one. A little bit on there. Trim that guy off. There we go. That's a little bit better. So yeah, it's Caddis.